welcome to Fabric Friday. 4-point star this time, 4-point wonky star. I have here 4 6-inch squares, which background colour. Now you can have these squares whatever size you want to end up with a block whatever size you want. And I have some strips here, more than I need, because I'm making my own jelly roll up. So every time I do a project, I'm collecting a 2.5-inch strip from it, and this will go in a roll whenever I want a jelly roll, and I know I'm going to like all the fabrics because I've used them before. Now, these are what I'm using for it. Get one of your squares, one of your colours. You can do them all the same colour, or you can do them different colours. And basically we're going to put it so it's going to go there, so we need to sew it there. I'll bring you around to the sewing machine now. As I said, we want to put this so it'll go there. Don't want it all the way to the top, because we need to leave a seam allowance for it to join to something else. So about that part, and you want it so it's going to cover your corner. So I want it to sew it about there. So let's just slip it in the machine. Your sewing machine does work better if you turn it on. So it may be awkward for you to do that way around, because we want to follow one line to give us 1/4 inch. So let's follow it down there. And just to be on the safe side, and I've got enough fabric, I'll just move it up a touch so I know for certain it's going to go there. And I've got pink cotton in here. Let me just change it. Now I've changed my cotton. So we've now sorted it out, and we're going to start moving about 1/4 inch seam allowance. Doesn't have to be exact. Whoops, and I'm also on zigzag, which I don't want. That's better. Start that again. Before we trim the end off, let's trim these out of the way there. Just fold it back so we can see that yes, the corner is covered and we've got more than 1/4 inch there. So do that on all of them, on all of your white squares. Now I'm going to do 2 of this colour and 2 of the other colour. That was the one that we did, that you saw me do on the machine. And then I've just done some others. Now you can press them back and iron them down. I'm not bothering at the moment. I'm just going to finger press them and when they're all sewn together, that's when I line it. And I've done the other colour as well. I haven't measured, I have just, I've gone really near the top there. But now, because you started with 6-inch squares, you can get your ruler and basically cut off all of the fabric, and you can leave your own fabric, the background fabric as it is, or you can trim it. But see, you can trim this if you want. I aren't bothering. And there's one. Sorry about the noise. It's these houses that they're building near us, with it being warm, windows and doors are open, so you can hear them. I've had enough. It's been a couple of years now and they make a right noise. My ruler has got this red tape on it because I've just made a quilt with a lot of half square triangles in them, so I use tape on this square ruler so I can trim them up really well. So that's where they all are now. So it's just a matter of sewing them together as a full patch, and they will make a star. So I'll stitch them together as a full patch, which is, so those two together across there, those two together across there, and then open them out and sew the two together. So I'll do them now. So there it is. It's thin star, but you can make it as fat as you want. You don't have to use 2.5-inch strips. You can use a really big fat strip and put it in there. You can make it any way you want, and it's so easy to do. Just put a strip on and 4 squares, sew them together as you would do a 4 patch. And you can see mine. I sewed this side together, then that side together, then nested the two and sewn them together. So it's very easy, very simple. You can even add a strip to either side, so you get 2 colours. And I've got one here that does exactly that. There's one strip, but I put the green one down first and then the grey one on top of it, and kept alternating. So I've still got a 4-point star, but it's very multicoloured. This one is a 4-point star, but it's only got 2 colours in it. So you can decide whichever one you want to do. Thank you. Bye.